welcome back to the channel. As I said in the last video, I'm in the middle of building my 2013 WRX, which is right here. It's been sitting for a little bit, but we're gonna make some good power with this new block I'm putting in. So today I'm in Pocono AutoLab, as you can see. So my guy named you're gonna meet him. He's the one who does everything. Subaru, he knows everything. So let's go in. We're gonna talk to him for a little bit, see how the build is going. Again, Pocono AutoLab, right here in the Mount Poconos, PA. So as you see, we got the engine.
Yeah.
A lot of work has been done to it.
Yeah, looking great, looking fresh.
So we got the new block, the new timing belt, the turbos right here, as you can see, boost lab. What else?
Yeah, they can see your one-piece manifold you got going.
Custom manifold.
That's a custom Manny.
I made this himself.
Not gonna get another one like that unless you make it.
So, yep. New oil cooler. What else? Gaskets.
You can check out the blackout plates, how they worked out.
Air pump delete.
And yeah, the one over here, which is hard to see, that's the one we had the problem with. Good old Subarus.
Yeah, so one of the problems we ran into was when he was taking one of the bolts out of the head, it kind of broke off. So we had to get that done at the machine shop, and he took it out, re-drilled it, and what do they call it? Helicoil?
Helicoil.
Helicoil it.
We have to do the same thing right here too.
Same thing on the top.
On the top here in the coolant pipe, but everything is held on there good. All the bolts tightened up, nothing all stripped. So hopefully, fingers crossed, you get that intake on, which is right there. You know, we put the parent pipe on, the parent inlet tube. We have to finagle this thing on from the old intake. The injectors you can see right there, anodized in red.
1050X.
Yep. You got the Grinch speed boost controller still there. And yeah, man, we're basically ready to go. Put that on, and hopefully, weather permitting, we get this car in. We get you on the road.
Yeah.
You know, finally get this thing going, man. Sorry for the wait. It's just been crazy around here. But we're going, and next few days it should be in, and then we're gonna start our tune. Well, actually, before we start the tune,
Yeah.
we have to do the fuel pump, the front mount,
Yeah.
all that other stuff all the good stuff, power supporting mods that you got. So yeah, should be fun, man. I can't wait. Excited.
So the other problem we ran into that I didn't video was the turbo.
Yeah, what's up?
I bought the turbo with the wrong housing.
Here's the stock one.
So
look, this is how they usually come.
This housing right here.
Yep, it's bolt down with screws. Bolts. This one is just a pipe, a connector that fits there that usually goes to the intercooler that usually sits in the center. But since you got a front mount, we're gonna find something to make that work, so we could utilize this turbo right here, this beast, compared to this little mini.
So my original plan was to keep the top mount so people don't know that I'm really pushing that much, but seeing that happened, so I just went front mount. I will show you how to front mount in another video that I'll be making. And
yeah, you see all the fresh new pulleys right here, the STI water pump with the oil cooler set up right here. That's all originally didn't come with your engine, only STIs.
Yep.
And now we added that, and everything is fresh. So
I can't wait to first start. As soon as that thing starts.
Oh man, it's gonna be glorious. It's gonna be glorious. Should be good. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. It's just there's so much stuff.
Yeah.
You know, we're trying to just do everything, and I mean we're almost there. Oh, I didn't do this yet.
I'm thinking
coolant cylinder, number 4
yeah.
coolant knob, which is nice that you got this. Very nice. But this shouldn't take too long for me to install. Shouldn't be too bad. Everything's done right here and connects to these pipes right here. It just plumbs out so that the number 4 cylinder gets cool, like it should, instead of heating up first and crazy and blowing up.
Yeah.
You know.
So
yeah, it should be good. That should be no problem. And I think that covers what we could think about right now.
yeah. So
I think so.
it's all coming together. I like it.
Yeah, man. Hopefully, hopefully get up in the 500. Only thing I'm scared about is that intake.
Plastic.
It's the plastic intake. We're gonna go as much as we can go until that thing tells us to stop. You know, that's basically what we're gonna do.
If I get 4, like street tune 4, whatever.
I think you'll get 4 easy. I think that'll be no problem at all. Your setup's good for 5, 6. You know, it's just that's the only thing holding us back.
I'll probably switch that out later on.
I'm sure you will.
Before we get it.
I'm sure you will, man.
Probably get a dyno tune after that.
But it's nice that you're doing this in levels like this, so you get to feel the differences as you go.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And you also, instead of just running before you crawl, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You get those power levels up and you get experience with that whole, you know, how everything feels. So, oh, you got another customer.
Another one? Alright. So, this is thanks for showing us everything once again. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions about the build, what parts I use, where I found them, anything in that sense, just let me know.